and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himapti Komantabu. First, the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah holds security review meeting on Manipur, directs governor and officials to ensure free movement of people on all roads in the state from March 8. Traditional ritual to ward off evil spirits performed across Manipur Valley on the occasion of Lamta Thangja. And nurses of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences take out protest against unbearable monetary demands. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today directed officials to ensure free movement of people on all roads in the state, including national highways from March 8 onwards. The Home Minister also warned of strict action against anyone trying to obstruct the national highways. Union Home Minister Amit Shah gave the direction during the high-level security review meeting, which was held today at New Delhi. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Manipur Chief Secretary P.K. Singh, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh, senior officers of Ministry of Home Affairs and other top officers of Army and paramilitary attended the meeting. In the meeting, Home Minister Amit Shah directs officials to ensure free movement of people on all roads in the state, including national highways from March 8 onwards, while urging for strict action against anyone attempting to create obstruction on the roads. The Home Minister also urged to take strict action against extortion. Further, Amit Shah directed for early completion of fencing work on both sides of designated entry points along Indo-Myanmar border. He also called for dismantling of entire network that is involved in drug trade. It may be mentioned that today's meeting was the first since imposition of President's rule in the state on February 13. Traditional ritual to ward off evil spirits were performed at major road junctions of Meitei villages in Valley districts today, marking Lamta Thangja, the first Saturday of Lamta month of Manipuri lunar calendar. Priest and priestess performed the ritual of Saroi Khangba to mark the occasion. Speaking about the significance of performing Saroi Khangba rituals on Lamta Thangja, Secretary of Maicho Ningsinglup, Ahantem Irabut, said, the rituals on Lamta Thangja have been performed every year to avoid bad omen for the well-being of the community.
Masi lai hakta teki dum chana rupa thorom ne masi akhoi saroi ngaroi je akhoi tai me ba marak su wakhal lok sing da khare yaw ni na masi akhoi na ma gi sing da lai gi boina ma gi sing da na sing thadok kodok na masi amon na tok na ba kodana mo gi de sing da thadok ba da akhoi na election mon wari na masi sumaina le.
Nurses of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences today took out sit-in protest against the unbearable monetary demands by various organizations. Speaking on the sideline of the protest, Y. Sundari, nursing in charge of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Trauma Care Center, urged relevant organization to refrain from demanding unbearable amount of money from RIMS nurses. Speaking further, Y. Sundari highlighted that some staffs are unable to operate daily due to the ongoing conflict, and that the nurses are working diligently and taking care of patients amid the conflict. She added that only 15 nurses in charge out of 20 are currently working. While expressing that they also want to contribute for the cause of community and Manipur, Y. Sundari expressed that holding protests during working hours is against the interests of the patients, but they were compelled by the circumstances as they continue to face unbearable monetary demands. Furthermore, she also urged relevant organizations to refrain from making such unbearable monetary demands.
health sector da lebna koina achuk chawba service amna piringe maraksida siguma service le moina count to bidragadi what is fun in working a hospital, what is fun in being a Manipuri heavy question of arise awreba akoi authority na so matam sana promotion recruitment sa haido piragadi ngasi akoi ya hoba awa ma'am su mayo na moeba objective akoi internal chen bi ya award pa retire bo gi bi award pa sugumba post ahama ma'am je melak tab dagi akoi house nursing office family officer 20 pham ko house 15 factor 5 more vacancy ado phami ma'am je in charge hakne ba khara mudi regular boy ga su ma'am je authority na matam sana bibi ga de akoi so adom happily thabak to toba ya recruitment matam sana lobiu thabak fajar sujage haibne ba aduga akoi na mi amaga state ka kari akoi na compare to wa pham ju leizage tabu asai za akoi na trade ba pirak pa se man during war phabo hospital je sokta thambane ba hoji de hospital sangle akoi da trade pirak ba hore demand adu adam ma'am se adu la ngasi tabab kaino se lobjaraga makata ba akoi ichi now sing any kind of harassment, monetary harassment, regular physical harassment, regular sugo force hospital de labna thambiu.
Following the extension of deadline by Manipur governor, people continue to voluntarily surrender illegal weapons to nearby police stations. People surrendered their weapons to Lamlai police station in Imphal East district yesterday. The surrendered weapons include 228.380-inch MK2 cartridge, 26 MK13T ODR, 4 5.56 live rounds, 6 7.62 live rounds, 1 36-hand grenade, 1 stinger grenade, 1 tear smoke shell along with other items. Porumpat police station also received 1 Enfield 303 rifle, 3 number 36-hand grenade. On the other hand, Imphal East Commando also received 1 303 rifle with magazine, 1 9mm pistol with magazine, 1 12-bore single-barrel gun, 3 number 36-hand grenade, 5 303 live rounds, 1 smoke grenade and other items. Meanwhile, people from Wakan village in Kangpokpe district surrendered various weapons and items such as 1 Latod gun, 3 rifles, 2 SBBL guns, 5 improvised gun Pompey, 6 improvised launcher Pompey, 2 grenades, 3 Pompey shell along with other related items to Central Force, which were later handed over to Sagulmang police station. On the other hand, people surrendered weapons to Patsoi police station in Imphal West district, including 3 country-made single-barrel gun, 1 air gun, 1 number 36-hand grenade, 4 stun grenade along with other items. Lamphel police station also received 1 7.62 SLR with magazine, 1 303 rifle with magazine, 1 M1 carbine with magazine, 1 DBBL gun, 1 SBBL gun, 5 number 36-hand grenade, 6 tube launching, 1 empty carbine magazine, 1 Insas rifle empty magazine, anti-riot smoke bomb 3 7.62 mm live rounds, 83 5.57 live rounds and 5 camouflage cap. Additionally, Thobal SP also received 2 303 rifle with magazine, 1 303 rifle without magazine and 1 number 36 HE grenade. Security force has arrested 4 people yesterday who are involved in extortion activity along National Highway 2, Imphal Dimapur Road. Police reported that the arrested people are identified as Longo Sem Kipgen, aged 29, Letminlan Kipgen, aged 25, Satminlun Tuboy, aged 24, and Thangolun Kilong, aged 27, from Bimparao in Kangpokpe district, and that they are arrested during an operation. The 4 people are reportedly working under the supervision of a cadre of Cookie Militant Group, KNFP, and police also recovered 2 4-wheeler vehicles, 3 mobile phones, 1 wireless earpiece, 1 Puma bag and 8,550 rupees cash. On the other hand, in our news broadcast yesterday, the above-mentioned 4 people were inadvertently described as the people involved in firing at Kongma Maru Shrine yesterday. We deeply regret the error and apologize for any confusion or inconvenience this may have caused. We have taken immediate steps to correct the error and ensure that similar mistakes do not occur in the future. Professor K. Santibala, who is the head of Department of Genim Psychiatry Department, has informed that the number of people having mental illness in the state has increased significantly due to the ongoing conflict. The statement was made during Indian Psychiatric Society (IPS) Manipur State Branch's 25th Manipur 2025 Annual Conference, which was organized at Jennings Auditorium today, under the theme, The Future of Psychiatry in a Changing World. Speaking further, K. Shantibla highlighted that the conference was organized to discuss about the treatment of psychiatric patients, while highlighting that the number of people having mental health problems have significantly increased in the state due to the ongoing conflict. K. Shantibla informed that official data regarding the increase of people having mental health issues will be released soon. During the conference, the Indian Psychiatry Society Manipur State Branch Lifetime Achievement Award was presented to psychiatrist Dr. R.K. Lenin, and a souvenir titled Manipsikon 2025 was also released. The conference was attended by Jennings Director Professor L. Usharani, IPS Manipur State Branch President and Jennings Department of Psychiatry HOD Professor K. Shantibla, Jennings Medical Superintendent Professor K.H. Lokeshwar, Jennings Department of Psychiatry former HOD Professor S. Gyaneshwar as guests.
Students, competitive exams, even in the workplace, everywhere around, starting from family, the society, the workplace, school, training center, wherever, stress situation, stress level, anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, the crime, the post-traumatic stress disorder, substance problem mayam asina chikma mayam asi laibase kuda the future gi trend se karom da mai odo no kan togoda no have the khanna bi atu bathim boiba conference amani.
Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Pauzenjaba February 13 lisingani kun manga dagi pangthokpa haukraba March kun taruk lisingani kun manga da loigadawriba higher secondary examination lisingani kun manga asi mahairoi singna thawai yauna pukning leitana amadi nataba pambai sizinadana exam asi thabiyu. Manipur lengangna notice thoktuna khanghan khraba higher secondary class 12 examination lisingani kun manga gi apunba center chamaga tarani thoigi akoibada mi punba yadaba haiba akanba wafamasi miyam amadi maru oina mahairoi singi ahlaman singna ngangna chatpinaba amukka hanna council gi maikaidagi appeal tawrakli. Higher secondary examination asina Manipur gi tungi laibak lepkadaba oibana lamdam asida laibiriba ireicha khudingmakna council na laukhatjariba chatna kanglon singngakna chatpinaba miyam gi mafamda khanghanjari. Mahairoi singna natraga kanagumba miyoi singna hakthengnana amadi nakoinana nataba pambai sizinaba amadi maduda chenaramba thoklabadi the Manipur Prevention of Malpractice in High School Living Certificate and Higher Secondary Examination Act 2024 gi makhada chairak phangba yai.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. District Administration Tamenglong and District Social Welfare Department jointly organized a marathon in an effort to promote Nasha Mukta Bharat campaign in Tamenglong district today. The race was flagged off by Additional Superintendent of Police Josia T. Pame from Haipu Jadunong Park to 5th Manipur Rifles Gate and back to Jadunong Park. Around 300 men and women took part in the marathon, showcasing a strong community spirit and commitment to the campaign's objectives. In the women's category, Lujai Panme from Duilon clinched the first position, while Namgwabe Pame from Zingning emerged victorious in the men's category. The winners were awarded medals, certificates and cash prizes during the event, which was attended by notable figures including SP Lanmio Luikam and SDC Tamenglong Savio Daimai, who also took part in the marathon along with MCS Paul Nangsha, Tamenglong CMO Dr. G. Majachunglu, PA to DC Eliezer Kongam, 5MR Deputy CO Letland Seiko and Deputy CO CRPF Santosh PT. Assam Rifles marked World Civil Defence Day by organizing life-saving drills at Felong and Khongsang villages under Tamenglong and None districts, respectively. In a press release, Assam Rifles said that The local community eagerly participated in the event, promoting awareness and preparedness with footfall of 200 students, including youth, women and children. The event also featured interactive sessions where attendees had the opportunity to engage with the Assam Rifles team, ask questions and gain hands-on experience in life-saving techniques. The Central Force highlighted that such initiatives aid in fostering a culture of safety and resilience, while expressing that Security Force hopes to equip the community with the knowledge and skills needed to save lives. Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangli Park, Joychandra Konthaujam, has criticized elected MLAs of Manipur for their incapacity during the crisis in the state. He also accused that legislatures have tarnished the image of Manipur in front of the world. The statement was made during a blood donation camp which was organized by the committee in collaboration with Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS at the hospital today ahead of the committee's Foundation Day observance, which will be held on March 7. Speaking further, Joychandra highlighted that the blood donation camp was organized with an aim to keep the blood bank's stock full and to provide help during emergencies, while accusing central government of practicing divide and rule policy in an effort to disintegrate the state by ignoring democratic values. Joychandra urged the public to unify against the looming threat. Around 50 people, including committee members, volunteers and descendants of Manipur freedom fighters, donated blood at the camp.
India government ki depend on policy na maram hoga Manipur je machet tana thugai no honer machet tana thugai no honer bise mache aikoi iram dam stel lebe irei sha khudi mon khongom thwe aikoi iram dam stel lebe irei sha khudi mon aikoi amma to win punjal ga Manipur bu aikoi thugai dana ba ifai pun khamiram ba at tang bilan sing na no ponna ba che aikoi gi thok dang aikoi community myam nung si san na lei ba se machi kang khum chai na aikoi community ase amato in punsan bangam ba se machi apripo wakal na yumpham oibadigi thokuni.
Kabui Union Manipur has announced rewards for meritorious students from Kabui community who managed to secure highest marks in arts, science and commerce streams of class 10 and 12 board exams. In a press release, Kabui Union informed that any previous year passed out Kabui students can also apply for the reward. They further announced that the award will include cash prize, shawl and a certificate and will be presented on 7th Kabui Union Foundation Day observance, which will be organized on March 2025. Kabui Union further informed that any Kabui students can submit their mark sheet copies at Kabui Union office at Mahabali Kabui village, or they can submit through WhatsApp numbers 90899828876, 97744511707 or 87328554445 till March 10. And now in the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 25.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 12.2 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 37% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up for this afternoon, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah holds security review meeting on Manipur, directs governor and officials to ensure free movement of people on all roads in the state from March 8. Traditional ritual to ward off evil spirits performed across Manipur Valley on the occasion of Lamta Thangja. And nurses of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences take out protests against unbearable monetary demands. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates.